Is that fun?
Yeah.
I really should yell at you for jumping on the bed, but you're having so much fun I can't even yell at you. Whoa! Don't fall off the bed.
I'm jumping.
I see you jumping. Is it fun?
Yeah.
I love you.
I got you stuck.
No, don't touch the chandelier.
I can reach the way up high.
I know. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Don't throw up on the bed. Do not throw up. Oh God. Don't throw up.